So here is a quick video just to illustrate something I struggled finding a video on YouTube for. Uh, there are many videos on the align command, but in this case I had a specific problem where I wanted to align two components together using one align point. Now, the standard thing that happens is that you go and you select your component like I do here. Let me see, maybe I have the wrong one selected. That one maybe. Like this. And then when you do an align, because you select everything and have two components. There's two components, one each here, okay? This is a component where I have the casing of a fan and the fan itself with the motor, and I want the fans to rotate if I animate, and I have to use two components to do that. You cannot do that on bodies, as far as I know. Anyway, so I want to move this with the align command so it fits into the holes here. So I go to align, and then I select, okay, I want this one to align to the inside here. But you see, the fan is left alone because it's a separate component. Now, how do I do this together in one operation? Well, the thing is, you need to sort of make them into a rigid group. And the first time I did this, I couldn't understand why it didn't work. But if you go in here, there, now have it selected, then you right click it and you have a rigid group. And then you get this pop-up here. The first time I did this, I didn't notice this. Components include child objects. So you select the whole container you have for that part. You include all child objects that you want to move together with it, and then you click OK. When I now go and select this and go to align, and I go and mark where I want it. I want it there. Now it moves the fan as well. Now you just capture the position, and there you go. And that is how you easily move several components together with just the align command. In this case, I had the fan header was already aligned to the middle of this, so it was kind of a problem if I had to move it separately. Anyway, that was just a quick guide for that.